Over 50 and feeling like your body is slowly giving up on you? What if I told you the real problem isn't your age? It's that nobody showed you the right way to train after 50. No heavy weights, no painful joints, no exhausting cardio. Just 5 simple holds, 10 minutes, 3 times a week, and your body starts feeling strong, stable, and decades younger. These are the 5 isometric holds that rebuild real strength after 50. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do every single one. Number 1, the Superman hold. Most people with a stiff back go straight to stretching. Wrong move. A stiff back isn't a flexibility problem, it's a weakness problem. The muscles along your spine have gone quiet, and when they stop firing, your posture collapses and the pain begins. The Superman hold wakes those muscles back up. Your erector spinae, glutes, and rear shoulders. The entire chain that holds you upright and pain-free. Here's how. Lie face down, arms and legs fully extended. Lift your chest, arms, and thighs just a few inches off the ground. Squeeze your shoulder blades hard. Eyes on the floor to protect your neck. Hold the contraction and feel your entire back switch on. 3 sets of 20 to 30 seconds. This is how you rebuild the posture you had 20 years ago. Number 2, the Sumo stance hold. Why does balance get worse with age? It's not your reflexes. It's that the stabilizing muscles in your hips and inner thighs have silently weakened over time. When that foundation crumbles, every step feels less certain. The Sumo stance rebuilds that foundation by shifting the load from your lower back into your hips and legs, exactly where it belongs. Here's how. Feet wider than shoulder width, toes flared outward. Lower into a shallow squat, chest tall, spine long. Press your knees out in line with your toes and hold the tension. 3 sets of 30 to 60 seconds. This is how you take back confidence in every step. Number 3, the plank. The plank isn't an A-B exercise. Its real job is protecting your spine. Every time you bend, lift, or sit for long periods, your spine absorbs load. Without a strong core to support it, your lower back picks up the slack, and that's where the chronic pain comes from. It is not a normal part of aging. The plank eliminates it. Here's how. Forearms and toes on the floor, body in a straight line from head to heels. Tighten your core, squeeze your glutes, keep your hips level. Breathe slow and steady. Never hold your breath. 3 sets of 30 to 60 seconds. This is how you keep your spine protected for life. Number 4, the bear crawl hold. This is the exercise most people skip, and the one their body needs most. It forces your shoulders, core, hips, and legs to work as one complete system. That's exactly how your body functions in real life. Carrying groceries, catching a stumble, getting up off the floor. Here's how. Hands and knees on the floor, hands under shoulders. Press through your toes and hover your knees 1 inch off the ground. Back flat, core tight, breathing controlled. Every muscle stays engaged. 3 sets of 15 to 30 seconds. This is where weak spots get eliminated for good. Number 5, the wall sit. Knee pain after 50 isn't caused by age. It's caused by weakened quadriceps, hamstrings, and inner thigh muscles that stop protecting the joint. When those muscles fail, the joint carries all the load, and that's where the pain lives. Rebuild those muscles and the pain diminishes dramatically. Here's how. Back flat against a wall, slide down until thighs are parallel to the ground. Weight in your heels, knees over toes, chest tall. Deep, controlled breathing throughout. 3 sets of 30 to 60 seconds. This is how you build knees that carry you freely for the rest of your life. Your complete routine. Superman hold, 3 sets, 20 to 30 seconds. Sumo stance, 3 sets, 30 to 60 seconds. Plank, 3 sets, 30 to 60 seconds. Bear crawl hold, 3 sets, 15 to 30 seconds. Wall sit, 3 sets, 30 to 60 seconds. 3 times a week, 10 minutes. That's it. No gym, no equipment, no excuses. Your body's not done. It's not past its prime. It was simply waiting for the right signal, and you just gave it one. If this video helped you, like it right now so this reaches every person over 50 who needs it. Subscribe so you never miss what's coming next, and share this with someone who needs to hear it today. I'll see you in the next video.